First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this lesson number 7 on the topic number system, so now we are going to learn the last basic concept called consecutive numbers. So friends, don't forget to watch all the previous lesson. So totally I have posted 7 lessons that is based on the concept called number system, that to the basic lessons. Because number system is like a huge topic. First you have to learn the basics of all the number system. So once you watch all these 7 lessons, so from the 8th lesson we are going to start solving the questions that is on the topic number system. So at that time you will feel easy if you learn the basics properly. So friends, got it? So here in this lesson number 7 we are going to learn one of the concept that is important concept called consecutive numbers. So before solving a question that is based on a consecutive numbers, first you guys have to know what is called as consecutive numbers. So when see here, consecutive numbers is nothing but a set of series which follow some logic. For example, if all the numbers are an even numbers, it is called as consecutive even numbers. If the numbers are in a certain format with all the numbers in odd, it is called as consecutive odd numbers. Or else it's if a set of series that starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., it is called as consecutive natural numbers. Got it? I can write some example here. So let me take a number 56, 58, 60, 62. This is called as what? Just see here, 56, 58, it is in some sort of series, but all the numbers is what? Even numbers. So it is called as consecutive even numbers. Got it or not? Right? So similarly, if we consider this as 57, 59, 61, 63, what is called as, this is also a consecutive numbers, yes or no? So consecutive is nothing like it follows some logic. You can see 57 plus 2, 59, 59 plus 2, 61, 61 plus 2, 63, it follows some logic. It's called as consecutive, but it is not an even series, it is a consecutive odd numbers. Got it or not? So similarly, if a set that starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, it is called as consecutive natural numbers. Got it? So this is called as consecutive numbers, consecutive even numbers, consecutive odd numbers and consecutive natural numbers. But one thing, there is some format in the concept called the consecutive numbers. They won't consider this as 56, 58. They will write this consecutive even numbers or a consecutive natural numbers in some format. That is called as, just see here, x, x plus 1, x plus 2, and it goes on x plus 3, x plus 4 up to n. So friends, this is called as consecutive natural numbers. Just listen here, instead of x, got it? Instead of x, if you substitute 1, right? Instead of x, if you substitute 1, so 1, 1 plus 1 will be 2, 1 plus 2 will be 3. Similarly, next number will be x plus 3. 3 plus 1 will be 4. It goes on. This is called as consecutive natural numbers. Got it? So this format x, x plus 1, x plus 2, it goes on. It is called as consecutive natural numbers. So let me talk about the format for consecutive even numbers. See here, consecutive even numbers is nothing but x. Got it? Second number will be x plus 2. Third number will be x plus 4. Fourth number will be x plus 6. It goes on. It is called as consecutive even numbers. Just friends, listen here. For this consecutive even numbers and for the consecutive odd numbers, both have a same set of format, right? For both the cases, the format is same. You should not say for consecutive odd x, x plus 3, x plus 5. No, that is wrong. This is the basic format which is common for consecutive odd as well as consecutive even. Instead of x, right, just listen carefully, instead of x, if you substitute a value of even number, this becomes consecutive even. Instead of x, if you substitute an odd number, it becomes consecutive odd. Understood or not? Just see here, if you substitute instead of x, if I substitute 20, right, I am substituting for x the value as 20. So first value is what? 20. 20 plus 2 will be 22, 24, 26. What series it is? Consecutive even number. Yes or no? 20, 22, 24, etc. Instead of x, if you substitute any odd number, 21, then what it becomes? 21, 23, 25, 27, it goes on. Got it or not, right? If you substitute the value of x as an even number, it becomes consecutive even number. If you substitute the value of x as an odd number, it becomes consecutive odd numbers. So friends, understood this logic or not? So totally in this consecutive numbers, we have only two sets, that is two formats. One is a consecutive natural numbers, and the second is consecutive even numbers and consecutive odd numbers. For both the cases, we have only one format, that is x plus 2, x plus 4, and it goes on. So friends, so first we have learned the basics of consecutive numbers. So let me start solving some of the questions that is based on consecutive numbers, so that you will feel this consecutive number topic is easy. So let me move on to all the basic question on this lesson number 7. Question number 1. So the sum of three consecutive numbers is 87. Then the middle number is. So friends, listen here. In the question, they didn't say it's a consecutive even numbers. It is not a consecutive odd numbers, but it is a consecutive numbers, right? What is the format we learn? X plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. It is the format for consecutive numbers. So here, sum of three consecutive numbers. Sum is nothing but an addition. So first consecutive number will be x. Addition, sum. Second consecutive number will be x plus 1. Third will be x plus 2. You have to stop until the third number. Why? Because in the question they have said sum of three consecutive numbers, 1, 2 and 3. If they said sum of four consecutive numbers, then x plus 3, 5, x plus 4, it goes on. Got it? If they said it's a product, then you have to multiply it. Got it? So here, sum of three consecutive numbers, first number, second number and third number will be how much? 87. Got it? So first let me add x and x will be 3x. So 1 plus 2 will be 3 is equals to 87. So 3x is equal to 87 minus 3 will be 84. So 3x is equals to 84. So x is equal to, if you cancel it, 3 2s are 6, remaining will be 2, 24, 8 3s are 24. So totally x. Just listen here, we got the value of x is what? 28. So substitute now x is equal to 28 here. The first number is x. According to what is the format? X plus 1, x plus 2, this will be the format, right? Instead of x, if you substitute 28, the first number will be 28. Second number will be 29. Third number will be 30. It goes on. Got it or not? But what is the target we need to find? Find the middle number. So 28 will be the first number, 29 will be the second number, 30 will be the third number. So out of these three, the middle number is 29. So finally we can say that answer for the question number 1 is 29. So if you want, you can cross check also. If you add all these three numbers, the resultant will be 87. Question number 2. So the sum of three consecutive odd numbers is 147. Then the middle number is. So friends, listen here, they are saying that sum of three consecutive odd numbers. So it is not a natural numbers or an even numbers. It is sum of consecutive odd numbers. So what is the format I have told you? So x, second number will be x plus 2, third number will be x plus 4, it goes on. But according to the question, they are saying sum of three consecutive odd numbers. So first number, sum, second number, sum. So totally sum of three consecutive numbers will be equal to 147. Now what is our target? We have to find the middle number. Got it? So first let me add x and x will be 3x. 4 plus 2 will be 6 is equals to 147. So 3x is equals to 141. So x is equals to 4 3s are 12, right? Remaining will be 21, 7. So 47. So finally we got the value of x is 47. So substitute in that format. Instead of x, if you substitute 47, the first number will be 47. And the second number will be 49. And the third number will be 51. Why? Because it is a consecutive odd numbers, right? So now according to the question, out of three numbers, our target is to find the middle number. So middle number is 49. So answer for this question is 49. Third question. So the sum of four consecutive even number is 748. Then the smallest among them. So friends, let's see here. Here it is based on a consecutive even number, but not three even numbers. It is a sum of four consecutive even numbers. So what is the first number here? X. Second number is what? X plus 2. So third number will be x plus 4 and the fourth number will be x plus 6. Again, they are not saying about the product, it is sum, addition. So sum of 4 consecutive even number is how much? 748. So first let me find what is the value of x. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So resultant will be 4x. So 4 plus 2 will be 6, 6 plus 2 will be 12 is equals to 748. So 4x is equals to 736. So x is equals to, so 1 4s are 4. So remaining will be 228 4s are, okay, 8. Then 184. Got it? Yes or no? 4 4s are 16. Yes. So value of x will be 184. So now substitute instead of x 184. So if you substitute the first term x is equal to 184, then the second number 184 plus 2, 186, 188, then 190. Yes or no? So this will be the 4 consecutive even numbers. According to the question, if you add all these 4 consecutive even numbers, then resultant will be 748. But what is our target? Our target is to find what is the smallest among all. So out of these 4 number, which number is smallest? 184 is smallest. So we can say that answer for this question number 3, where the smallest will be 184. Question number 4. So out of 6 consecutive natural numbers, if the sum of first 3 number is 27, so what is the sum of other 3? So friends, listen here, what they are saying is out of 6 consecutive numbers, it is not an even number or an odd number, it is a consecutive natural numbers. So what is the format here? So first number will be x, second will be x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4 and x plus 5. So now what they are saying is sum of first 3 consecutive natural numbers will be how much? Total is how much? Just here, out of this 6 consecutive numbers, if the sum of first 3 numbers, so first 3 numbers sum is how much they have given is 27. So first let me add the first 3 consecutive numbers. So x, x and x will be 3x. So 2 plus 1 will be 3 is equals to how much they have given? 27. Got it? So 3x will be 24. So x will be 8. So finally we got the value of x is what? 8. Now what is our target is? Our target is to find what is the sum of the remaining, that is last 3 consecutive numbers. So substitute 8 here instead of x. If you substitute 8, so 8 plus 3 will be 11. Got it? So next number will be 12 and the next number will be 13. So if you add all the remaining 3 numbers, the resultant will be 36. So finally we can say that the answer for this question number 4 is 36. So friends, understood or not? It is very easy. So totally out of 6 consecutive numbers, the first sum of 3 first consecutive numbers will be 27. So using the data, we have initially found what is the value of x. But our target is not to find the value of x. What is our target? Our target is to find what is the sum of the remaining 3 consecutive numbers. So substitute x is equal to 8 here. So 8 plus 3 will be 11, second number will be 12 and the third number will be 13. So if you add all the 3 numbers, resultant will be 36. So this will be the answer for question number 4. So friends, finally in this video we have learned what is called as consecutive numbers, and we have learned the 2 important format, that is consecutive numbers and for consecutive odd and even numbers format. So after that we have solved a 4 basic question that is based on consecutive numbers. It is enough for this video because here we will be learning only the basics. So from the 8th lesson, we can start solving some of the important question on the topic number system. So always remember one thing, be strong on the basics. So totally I have posted 7 lessons, that is only basics about the topic number system. So you should be strong on the basics. Again I am saying, only if you strong on the basics, you can able to solve all the questions on this topic, right? So that's it about this lesson number 7. So don't forget to watch all the remaining videos, and you too try to search in Google and start solving the questions. So thank you so much for watching this video. So if you really like it, share the video to your friends, those who are preparing for the competitive exams. So thank you so much. Bye.